Okay, so Nothing Phone 3 is almost here. July 1st is the date, and the leaks are coming in hot. Android Headlines just dropped renders of the phone, and let me tell you, this one's definitely gonna get people talking. So let's start with the design, because nothing's always been about that transparent look, right? Showing off the internals, the cool layout, the glowing glyph lights, all very clean and symmetrical. But Phone 3, it flips that whole vibe. The transparent back is still here, that's their signature, but this time it looks way more raw and deconstructed. Instead of that neat and tidy layout we saw on Phone 1 and 2, this one feels more chaotic, but on purpose. It's like they're putting the phone guts on display in a look at me, I'm complex kind of way, almost like someone took it apart mid-repair and said, yep, that's the look. Now here's where it gets even more interesting. They're changing up the Glyph interface. Remember those big flashy light strips? They're shrinking it down into what looks like a Glyph Matrix. It's basically a smaller dot matrix style setup. But this isn't just a style change, it actually feels like a shift in strategy. Nothing seems to have realized that most people weren't really using all those flashy lights for anything practical. So instead of just lighting up for ringtones and timers, the new Matrix is supposed to be more expressive. Think more precise, more intentional, not just eye candy. And it looks like they're building it to work better with AI-driven notifications and features. As for the camera situation, Phone 3 is coming with a 50 megapixel periscope telephoto lens, but here's the twist. It's not aligned with the other two lenses, just sitting up there doing its own thing. Definitely gonna stand out visually. Rumor says we're getting triple 50 megapixel sensor overall, but the periscope one is the only confirmed piece so far. Spec-wise, it's shaping up nicely. You've got a big 6.7 inch OLED display with FHD plus resolution, and a tall 20:9 aspect ratio, a beefy 5150 milliamp hour battery, 100 watt wired charging, and 15 watt wireless charging. That's pretty stacked for a phone in this price range. But let's talk chipset, because this is where the drama starts. Nothing announced it'll be powered by the Snapdragon 8S Gen 4, and some folks are not happy, mainly because Nothing called this their first true flagship, and the Snapdragon 8 Elite is what people expected. But honestly, that chip is super expensive, and 8S Gen 4 is still no slouch. Unless you're gaming at max settings or benchmarking all day, you'll probably be just fine. So yeah, Nothing Phone 3 is shaping up to be a bold pivot, new design direction, more intentional lighting with the Glyph Matrix, and solid performance across the board. Some people are gonna love the gritty, techie aesthetic, others maybe not so much, but one thing's for sure, Nothing's not playing it safe this year. Anyway, that's the lowdown. Let me know what you think. Are you into the more raw and expressive style, or are you team bring back the clean and symmetrical? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more updates just like this. Catch you in the next one. Peace.